Hello students, today we are going to discuss the remaining example of the exercise 6.1. We have already discussed the example 1 to 4. Now the fifth example is if y is equal to 2x is a chord of circle x square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0, find the equation of circle with this chord as a diameter. Here it is a given circle. Okay. Here see carefully. It is a given circle. Equation of circle it is x square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0. It is the equation of circle. And a chord to the circle, it is y is equal to 2x. Suppose y is equal to 2x, we can write here. Okay. It is y is equal to 2x. It is a chord of this circle. Okay. Now we want to find the equation of circle. We want to find the equation of circle whose the chord is a diameter. Okay, here a chord is a diameter of the circle. We want to find here. Here, this suppose it is a and it is B. Okay, this chord of the circle x square plus y square minus 10x equal to 0. The chord of the circle is a diameter of a circle. We find the equation of circle whose diameter is the chord of the circle, and then it is a diameter of the circle, and then here A and B are the points of the intersection of circle and chord y is equal to 2x. So first we find the point of intersection between chord and the circle, and these points are the end points of the required circle, end points of the diameter of required circle. Okay, here given circle, see carefully, given circle it is x square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0, and here y is equal to 2x. Suppose it is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. Y is equal to 2x is diameter of, it is a chord. Y is equal to 2x is chord of circle 1. Okay, yeah, y is equal to 2x, it is a chord of circle 1, but we want to find the equation of circle. We want to find the equation of circle whose diameter is a chord of this circle. That means this chord AB is a chord of this circle, but we want to find the equation of circle whose AB is a diameter. Okay, and then AB are the ends of the diameter. Then by using the diameter form, we find the equation of circle. Okay, first we find these 2 points, and these 2 points are the intersection of these two. Okay, here and here the point of intersection. The point of intersection of circle and it is chord are the end points of diameter of required circle. Okay, see carefully. Let A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 are ends of diameter of required circle. Okay, now we find the point coordinates of point A and B, and A and B are the intersection of these 2 points. To find the intersection, we solve these 2 equations. Therefore, put y is equal to 2x in x square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0. So we can write here, it is x square plus 2x whole square, that is y is equal to 2x, and minus 10x is equal to 0. Then it is x square and it is 4x square, it is a 5x square minus 10x is equal to 0. We can common it is a 5x. Then x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 5x equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. That is, x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 2. Now, we get the x coordinate of both the points. Now, find the y coordinate by using y is equal to 2x here. And therefore, if x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0, and x2 is equal to 2, then y2 is equal to 4. Okay. Therefore, it is A 0, 0 and B 2, 4. Okay. Here are the point of intersection of given circle and chord. Now we find the equation of circle whose ends of the diameter are these points. Therefore, equation of circle whose ends of diameter are 0, 0 and B 2, 4. And therefore, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 and y minus y2 is equal to 0. It is equation of circle in diameter form. So, x minus x1 and x minus x2 plus y minus y1 and y minus y2 is equal to 0. Then it is x minus, it is x square plus y square minus 4y minus 2y and plus 8 is equal to 0. And therefore, equation of required circle x square plus y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. It is a equation of required circle whose ends of diameter are A and B. And A and B are the point of intersection of given circle and the chord. Okay, here it is the equation of circle. Now we see the next example. Next example number 6. Find the equation of circle with radius 4 with radius 4 units and touching both the coordinate axes. Touching both the coordinate axes. Having center in third quadrant. Okay. Yeah. I want to find the equation of circle whose radius is 4 unit and touching coordinate axis and center in the third quadrant. Okay. We want to find the equation of circle. Here in the last example there are given the ends of the diameter, so we use the diameter form. Here center radius form, center is given, radius is given, center we find by using this condition. Okay, here given that radius of circle is 4 units. Okay, that is R is equal to 4, and touching coordinate axis having center in third quadrant. Okay, here see carefully, center of circle in the third quadrant. Here, and circle touching both the axes like that. Okay, here radius is given, center is the third quadrant, radius is given, therefore here radius it is a 4, this distance it is 4, this distance it is a 4, and here distance from y-axis and distance from x-axis of the center it is a 4, therefore the coordinate are -4, -4. Why -4, -4? It is a distance 4, but center lie on third quadrant. Okay, it is both are the negative, therefore the center of the circle it is a -4, -4. Okay, therefore we can write here center of circle is -4, -4, that is C, that is center H, K, -4, -4, and we know the center and radius, then the equation of circle. Therefore equation of circle x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus h, that is x plus 4 whole square, y minus k, that is y plus 4 whole square, and is equal to 4 square. X square plus 8x plus 16, y square plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 16. Okay, expand it, and then equation of circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 8y, 16 get cancelled, this 16 is remaining here, 0. It is the equation of circle. Okay, having center -4, 4 and radius it is a 4. Okay, see carefully this example. Now next, next example, find the equation of circle find the equation of circle passing through the origin and having intercepts and having intercepts 4 and -5 on coordinate axis. Okay. Here circle passing through origin and make intercept 4 and -5, that is x intercept it is positive and y intercept it is a -5, y intercept it is a negative. Therefore circle becomes, here see carefully, here passing through center, x intercept here and y intercept here, so circle becomes here like that, passing through here, this is a circle passing through origin. Okay, x intercept and it is y intercept. X intercept it is a 4, y intercept it is 5, it is a -5, therefore distance 5. Then coordinates, suppose it is a 4, 0 and y intercept it is a b 0, -5. Okay, see carefully, it is y intercept and it is x intercept. Okay, now we want to find the equation of circle, so find the center and radius. Here center and radius cannot be given, but here we join this chord AB, okay, and here circle passing through origin, that is the origin on the circle, and here it is x axis and it is y axis, so it is a right angle. Here right angle AOB, it is a right angle, okay, and point AOB on the circle, okay, point AOB on the circle, and it is a right angle, therefore AB, the chord AB is a diameter of the circle because it is a right angle, and then it is a diameter and we know the ends of the diameter, then by using the diameter form we find the equation of circle. It is a diameter form, x1 y1 x2 y2, equation of circle in the diameter form, x minus x1, sorry, it is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. It is the equation of circle in a diameter form. Okay, here AB is a diameter, why? Because it is a right angle, and AOB point on the circle, therefore here it is an angle subtended by the semicircle, it is a right angle, therefore it is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Now we can write this here, given that circle passing through origin and having intercepts 4 and -5 on coordinate axis. Okay, let A 4, 0 and B 0, -5 are the intercepts made by circle on axis. Okay, here now here angle, measure of angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and therefore the chord AB as a diameter of circle. Okay, and A 4, 0 and B 0, -5 are ends of diameter. Therefore, equation of circle. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. It is x1 y1, x2 y2. X minus 4, x minus 0 plus y minus 0, y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here. Then x square minus 4x plus y square plus 5y is equal to 0. And then equation of circle, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 5y is equal to 0. It is the equation of circle. Okay, see carefully this. Equation of circle by using diameter form. Now, last example in this exercise. Find the equation of circle passing through points (1, minus 4) and 5, 2, and having its center on the line x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, here we want to find the equation of circle. To find the equation of circle, we know the center and radius of that circle or ends of diameter. Here, we find the center and radius of the circle. Here, given condition here, it is a circle passing through point. It is suppose first point we can say A and second point we can say suppose here B. 5, 2, and the center of the circle lie on the line. Line it is a x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0, and center it is suppose C h comma k. Okay, here center lie on the line x minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. That means center satisfy this equation. That means first equation it is h minus 2k plus 9 is equal to 0. H comma k satisfy this equation. That is h minus 2k plus 9 equal to 0. It is a one equation. We want to find the center and radius of the circle. Okay. When we know the center, then we find the radius of the circle. Okay. Here we get one equation. Okay, in terms of h and k. And A and B are the points on the circle. Therefore, we know that CA and CB are the radius. So distance of CA and distance of CB are the same. By distance formula, we find the distance of CA and distance of CB, and both are the same, both are equal. Then we get the second equation, and solving these two equations, we get the coordinate of the center, and then find radius. And after center and radius, we find the equation of circle. Okay, here see carefully step by step. Here, first, given point on the circle, it is 1, minus 4 and 5, 2. Okay, we first consider the center of the circle. Okay. Here, let C H comma K be center of circle here, and it is A 1 comma minus 4 and B 5 comma 2 are points on the circle. Points on the circle. Okay, see carefully here. Therefore, CA and CB, CA is equal to CB, that is the radius. Okay. CA and CB, distance CA and distance CB are same because they are the radius. So by distance formula we can write here under root distance formula CA here h minus 1 whole square plus k plus 4 whole square. It is the distance between C and A. And here CB h minus 5 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square by distance formula. Okay, we solve it. Squaring on both sides, under root remove and expand it. Okay, therefore you can write here h square minus 2h plus 1 plus k square plus 8k plus 16 is equal to h square minus 10h plus 25 plus k square minus 4k plus 4. Okay, squaring on both sides, under root remove and it is expansion. Here h square k square get cancelled. Here remaining minus 2h plus 8k plus 17 is equal to h square k square cancel minus 10h minus 4k and plus 29. See carefully. Now it is h and k can be written in this side. 10h minus 10h become LHS, it is a plus, therefore it is 8h minus 2 and it is plus. 4k becomes here, it is a plus, therefore plus 12k is equal to 17 become here minus, that is 29 minus 17, it is a 12. 29 minus 17, okay, it is 12. So in this we get common, it is a 3, so it is a 4. Okay, it is 2h plus 3k is equal to 3. It is equation number 1. 2h plus 3k plus 3, so common 4. It is 2, 3 and it is 3. It is equation number 1. Now, and given that center C h comma k lie on line x minus 2y plus 9, x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore we can write h minus 2k plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. h minus 2k plus 9 equal to 0 we can write here. Okay, therefore we can write h minus 2k plus 9 is equal to 0, and therefore we get the equation h minus 2k is equal to minus 9 and it is equation number 2. Now to find the center we solve equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we multiply equation number 2 by 2 and subtract them. Okay, here therefore you can get 1 minus 2 into equation number 2. This goes, see carefully, equation number 2 ला 2 न multiply करावेत म्हणजे here 2h, here minus 4k and here minus 18 and this subtract, therefore we are minus plus and it is plus. Okay, here we can write here 2h plus 3k minus, it is equal to 3, multiply 2, it is 2h minus 4k is equal to minus 18 and subtraction, it is plus, that get cancelled, it is a 7k is equal to 21 and therefore k is equal to 3. Okay, it is the value of k, and by equation number 2 h minus 2 into 3 is equal to minus 9. Therefore, h is equal to, it is 6. Here it is a plus 6. Therefore, it is minus 3. Okay. Therefore, h 3 and k is a minus 3. Therefore, center it is a minus 3 comma 3. Okay. Therefore, center of circle is C minus 3 comma 3. It is the center of circle. Now we find the radius of the circle. Radius, it is a CA. Now radius, it is a CA, and that is under root of C and A. It is a C, it is A. See carefully. Minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 3 plus 4 whole square. See carefully. CA, it is a CA. H, it is a minus 3 and K is a 3. Therefore, it is a minus 4. Minus 4 square and it is a 7 square. See carefully. It is minus 4 square, it is a 16 and it is a 49. Okay. It is a 16 and it is a 49. 16 plus 49. 16 plus 49, it is under root 65. Okay. 16 plus 49. Okay. It is a 16 and it is a 49. Okay. 16 plus 49, it is under root 65. It is a radius. And now equation of circle. Whose center and it is a radius. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Then x minus 3 plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to under root 65 whole square. Then x square plus 6x plus 9 y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 65. And then last answer, x square plus y square plus 6x minus 6y, and here 9, 9, 18. See carefully. 18 and it is a 65. That is 65 minus 18. Okay. 18 are the plus and 65 becomes here, it is a minus. Okay. See carefully. Therefore, it is a minus. And then 15 minus 8. Okay. It is a 7. 15 minus 8, it is a 7. It is a 5 minus, it is a 4. 47 is equal to 0. Okay. See carefully. Check the calculation. Then it is the equation of circle. Okay. Equation of circle with center and it is a radius. Equation of circle having center on the line. Therefore, center on this line. Therefore, we get one equation. And by using the distance formula, CA and CB are the radius. So, CA equal to CB. By distance formula, we get one equation. Solving these two equations, we get H and K, which is the center. And when we find the center, we get radius and then equation of circle. Okay. Check all the calculation.